Eugene. And I'm Jensen, and we're going to present the basic steps on how to give a CPR.
So step 1, check for the CAB. C stands for circulation. A is for airway. And lastly, B for breathing. Check the victim if she's still breathing.
Step 2. If the victim is not breathing and she doesn't have pulse, perform CPR immediately. So step 3, perform CPR. Tilt the head and give one long breath. Next, check for response. So step 4, if the victim is still not responding, perform another one long breath. Then put your left hand over your right hand and pump the victim's chest thrice. Check for response. So if the victim is still unconscious, perform another one long breath and pump the victim's chest thrice. So congratulations, the victim is now conscious. You may now take her to the hospital. So that was the basic steps on how to perform a CPR, and I hope you learned something out of it, and thank you for watching. Bye!